Hello dear students, this is CMI data science question paper I am solving. And here the question is, consider the following code in which A is an array index from 0, the function is given as well, and the bitwise exclusions are over A and B. Given that the integers A and B, we write the binary pair structure, and this comes in. So the truth table is also given over here. It's very important. A equal to this, so as the return. So in this case, this code finds the only unique value depending on existence. In this array. Okay, so 7 will be returned. So D is the answer. Next, 15 telephones are received at a service center. Of these, 5 are mobile, 6 are cordless, 4 are wired. The 15 telephones randomly numbered, say 1 to 15, established in order in which they are serviced, in which of the following is or are correct. Okay, so the number that among the first 3 serviced, the first and the third are mobile and the second is not, is the 5 cases, and this is 1 to 15, 10, so this is correct. The probability that the first 4 services are all wired phones is 1 by 15C4, because 6, 5, 11 out of things 4 will be there, so probability is this. So second one is also correct, this is correct, this is correct. C is the probability that after servicing 10 of the phones, only one of the 3 types remain to be serviced. 1 remain to be serviced. So then 5 to be serviced is either mobile or cordless. So the probability is 65 plus 5C5 divided by 15C5. So this part is missing, so this is wrong. The probability that 2 phones each type among the first 6 serviced. So this is it will be multiplied actually, because happening at the same point of time. So multiple options, so this is wrong. So obviously the last statement are correct, so only A and B are correct. Next, which of the following statements are true? Again, similar type. Let's go for the first one. A 65957 x1 x2 this, x1 to the power k less than this. This is actually the AM-GM inequality, and we know that AM of the numbers is always greater than this. So this is the AM and this is the GM. So this is wrong. For 3 real numbers, x plus y, no, this does not follow triangle inequality. So this is also wrong. No, sorry. Utilizing the triangle inequality, this actually, no, sorry, my mistake. So this actually follows. Okay. This follows the triangle inequality, so we can say this is correct. Next is 7 into r to the power n, infinite GP, 37 1 by r, infinite GP. So this is also correct. Next, D, suppose here nq minus 1 is divisible by 3 in the possible cases. So let n equal to 1. So 1q minus 1 equal to 0. 0 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the statement is true for n equal to 1. Let us assume that the statement is true for n equal to k. So kq minus k equal to 3x. Now we need to prove that if the statement is true for n equal to k, then it will be true for n plus 1, k plus 1 as well. Okay, so the expression is the product of the 3 consecutive numbers, isn't it? N minus 1, n and n plus 1. and one of the three must be divisible by 3. This has to be, if 3 consecutive numbers are there, it has to be divisible by 3 because the difference is 3. So in this case, this is also correct. So statements are true except B, A, all are true. 9. The following statements are true for an arbitrary n cross n matrix. Exchanging two rows of A doesn't change the determinant. No, it changes the sign. Sign changes, comes with a minus. Exchanging two rows, A doesn't change the trace. Yes, it also trace because it's the sum of the principal diagonal. So as principal diagonal changes, so sign changes. Replacing with each diagonal element A with 1 does not change the determinant. Yes, it will change. So this is also wrong. Exchanging two columns of A neglects the determinant. Yes, this is right. So only D is correct. So after 9, let's go for 10. In an n cross n matrix, which of the following A and B are preserved under the matrix multiplication? Doing properties. A being under triangular, yes, and being the diagonal. But B and D are not, because the diagonal elements are being 0 is not a requirement, and it's not symmetry, it's not a requirement. So A and C is the answer. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll solve from 11 to 15.